Did you know that more than 60% of us get tired eyes from using screens every day? But there's an easy fix. Today, we're going to talk about 8 amazing herbs that can protect your eyes and help you see better. From the old-time magic of Ginkgo Biloba to the calming effects of chamomile, we'll show you how these natural wonders can keep your eyes sharp and healthy. Join us as we explore the green world of eye health and find out how simple herbs like turmeric and bilberry can make a huge difference. Let's learn together how to take care of our eyes with the help of these herbs. Let's get started. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is this bright yellow spice that does a lot more than just make our food taste amazing. It's like a magic potion for our eyes. The magic part of turmeric is something called curcumin. Think of curcumin as a superhero fighting against inflammation and protecting your eyes from all sorts of trouble. Imagine your eyes are like a fortress, and there are invisible bad guys trying to attack and cause problems like AMD, which makes it tough for older folks to see clearly, and diabetic retinopathy, a big problem for people with diabetes. Curcumin is the hero who steps in, fighting off these bad guys, stopping harmful inflammation, and defending your eye's cells from stress. So when you add turmeric to your food, you're not just making it delicious. You're actually giving your eyes a superpower shield. This means you could keep your eyesight sharp and your eyes healthy. Turmeric is not just a spice. It's a tasty and mighty friend for your eyes. 2. Bilberry. Bilberry is an awesome fruit for your eyes, kind of like a superhero. It's packed with something called anthocyanins, which are tiny protectors for your eyes. These protectors help you see better in the dark, making your night vision super sharp. Do your eyes ever feel tired from staring at screens too much? Bilberry can help with that too, making your eyes feel less tired. Plus, it's really good at fighting off something called oxidative stress. That's a big deal because oxidative stress can cause eye problems as we get older, like having trouble seeing clearly or getting cataracts, which make your vision all blurry. Eating bilberries or taking them as a supplement is like giving your eyes a shield to keep them healthy and strong. So think of bilberry as your tiny, mighty friend that helps keep your sight clear and your eyes happy. 3. Saffron. Saffron is a special spice that's not just for making food yummy. It's like a superhero for your eyes too. Inside saffron, there are 2 heroes called crocin and quercetin. These guys are antioxidants, which means they battle the bad stuff that can harm your eyes. These baddies can mess with your vision, especially as you get older, in something called age-related macular degeneration, or AMD for short. Crocin and quercetin work to protect the tiny parts of your eyes that help you catch light so you can see better and keep your eyes healthy for a longer time. Adding a bit of saffron to what you eat doesn't just spice up your meals. It's like giving your eyes a superhero shield. This can help keep your vision sharp and slow down eye problems that might show up as you age. So saffron is way more than just a spice. It's a powerful ally for your eyesight. 4. Ginkgo Biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a really cool tree with leaves that are like a superhero for your body, and especially for your eyes. Imagine it as a big helper that gets your blood flowing better. And when your blood is zooming around nicely, it means your eyes get more oxygen and all the good stuff they need. This helps keep your eyes strong and might even make your sight better. Scientists have been checking out Ginkgo biloba, and guess what? They found it's great at making sure your eyes get plenty of blood. This is really important because having good blood flow means your eyes are protected from problems, and it can even help fix issues if your eyes are struggling. People have been using Ginkgo biloba for ages because it truly works. It's not just an old tale. It's like a leafy buddy that takes care of your eyes. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is more than just a herb that makes our food smell awesome and taste great. It's like a health boost for our eyes. It's loaded with powerful things called antioxidants, including rosmarinic and carnosic acid, which help keep your eyes feeling great. Imagine these antioxidants as tiny, powerful shields that guard your eyes against invisible enemies like oxidative damage. This kind of damage can come from too much sun or staring at screens all day. But wait, there's more. Rosemary also helps the blood flow smoothly to your eyes. When your eyes get plenty of blood, they receive all the oxygen and nutrients they need to work perfectly and stay healthy. So, by sprinkling a little rosemary on your food, you're not just making it yummier, you're giving your eyes a helping hand to stay sharp and well protected. Think of rosemary as a small green buddy for your eyes, keeping them safe and sound. 6. Dandelion. Dandelion might look like just a regular weed in your yard, but it's actually a superfood for your eyes. The green leaves of the dandelion are full of special stuff called lutein and zeaxanthin. Think of them as sunglasses for the inside of your eyes. They help keep your eyes safe from blue light. This blue light comes from the sun and our screens, like phones or computers, and it can be bad for our eyes over time. These nutrients also work like protective shields, fighting against an invisible bad guy called oxidative stress. This kind of stress can damage your eyes and lead to problems as you get older, making it hard to see clearly. Eating dandelion greens can help reduce the risk of these eye issues. So, next time you spot dandelions, remember they're not just weeds. They're like little green soldiers working hard to protect your eyes, keeping them healthy and your vision sharp. 7. Fennel. Fennel is a crunchy, sweet vegetable that does wonders for your eyes. It's loaded with vitamin A, which is like a superhero for your eyesight. Vitamin A helps you see better in the dark, so if you eat fennel, you're less likely to have trouble seeing at night. It's also great for keeping your eyes from getting too dry, which can happen if you read or look at screens a lot. But that's not all. Fennel also has a bunch of antioxidants. These are like tiny bodyguards that protect your eyes from getting older too fast, and from diseases like AMD, a problem that makes it hard to see clearly, and cataracts, which can make your vision blurry. By adding fennel to your meals, you're not just making your food taste better. You're giving your eyes extra protection to keep them sharp and healthy. So think of fennel as a delicious and powerful friend for your eye health. 8. Chamomile. Chamomile is like a cozy, calming hug for your eyes. It's famous for helping people relax and sleep better, but it's also amazing for soothing your eyes. If your eyes ever feel irritated, maybe from staring at screens too long or from allergies, chamomile can help calm them down. It's like a gentle, soothing potion that makes the redness and irritation go away. This is because chamomile has special powers called anti-inflammatory and anti-irritant properties. These powers help reduce swelling and fight off things that make your eyes upset. Drinking chamomile tea or even using cooled chamomile tea bags as a compress over your eyes can help bring relief and comfort. So next time your eyes feel tired or sore, remember that chamomile is not just for drinking. It's a natural remedy to help your eyes feel better and refreshed. Chamomile is truly a gentle guardian for keeping your eyes happy and healthy. All right, we've just explored some amazing herbs that can do wonders for your eyes. If you found this info helpful, please give us a thumbs up by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cool health tips and tricks. Sharing is caring, so if you think someone else could benefit from what we talked about today, share this video with them. We love hearing from you, so drop us a comment below about which herb you're excited to try or any eye care tips you have. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.